emotional day in court in the trial of a mother whose daughter was allegedly sexually assaulted, beaten, and killed. And you may remember the 4-year-old was also diagnosed with herpes 3 weeks before she died. Fox 26's Domely Keith joins us now with the story. Domely?
Melinda, it was a difficult day in the courtroom. Dozens of the 4-year-old's autopsy photos were shown to jurors. They were very graphic pictures of her fractured skull, snapshots of more than 80 bruises on her little face, mouth, and body, and photos of evidence the 4-year-old was sexually assaulted. The pictures little ones usually pose for are very different from the ones shown to the jury. Abigail Young cried uncontrollably at the sight of the first autopsy photo of her daughter. She broke down again as the doctor who performed little Emma's autopsy explained the trauma to the 4-year-old. According to prosecutors, Emma Thompson died that night in June of last year after she was raped and beaten by her mother's boyfriend, Lucas Coe.
The defendant's relationship and love for Lucas Coe far outweighed the love for her daughter.
3 weeks before little Emma's death, the 4-year-old was diagnosed with genital herpes. Young's attorney says her client, who was a nurse, thought her daughter contracted herpes through non-sexual contact with kids.
And after you hear all of the evidence, after you see the evidence, after you hear everybody, you're going to agree that Abby didn't do anything wrong.
Prosecutors say Young realized she too had herpes. They say she lied to CPS and to doctors at Texas Children's Hospital, even when the married mother of 3 was asked questions about if she had a boyfriend who could have hurt her daughter.
No. I'm married still, actually.
The day before Emma died, a neighbor says she saw blood on the 4-year-old's underpants and asked Young about it.
Oh, that's just nothing. She fell on a ladder in a pool.
The day Emma died, Coe was allegedly at Young's house with her kids while she ran errands. Young supposedly received a phone call to come home because her 4-year-old had fallen.
She's running up to the house. She meets Luke. Luke's carrying Emma out. A couple blocks down the road, Emma's slumped over. Abby pulls over. She runs around. She opens the car door. She pulls her baby out of the car because her baby's not moving.
Emma wasn't moving or breathing. The 4-year-old was rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. Abigail Young's trial is expected to last at least 2 weeks. Lucas Coe's trial is set for September. Both are charged with injury to a child. In the studio, I'm Domely Keith, Fox 26 News.